G'day, it's John from Oztrack again. Just here to chat about one of the most common mods you'll do to your car, which is an air filter and OTR of some sort. So whether it's side, top mount, doesn't really matter, you'll have this style filter. We've got here a Statesman LS1 that's really been serviced regularly by another mechanic, and just want to sort of give you guys a warning that just because you're getting the service done doesn't mean that they're going to be doing it. So the owner of this car is under the belief that it's going to be serviced every time, but it's not being cleaned, and as you can see, this is pretty blocked up, and even in the intake itself, pre-filter, it's really blocked up. So we're going to pull this all apart, give it a good clean and service, re-oil it, and we'll be good to go again. So just a warning to you guys, if you do have a filter of this sort of style, ask your mechanic, are they cleaning it? Most dealerships won't touch them. Some mechanics might touch them. If you come to us for a service, you'll always know that that's going to be cleaned, oiled, and good to go.